Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster linguine. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 2 fresh lobsters, each weighing about 1½ pounds, 1 pound of linguine, and fresh garlic. Don't forget ripe cherry tomatoes, good quality olive oil, and a dry white wine. Also, have unsalted butter, heavy cream, fresh basil, and a pinch of red pepper flakes ready. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, let's cook our lobsters to perfection. Bring a large pot of heavily salted water to a rolling boil. Carefully add the lobsters and cook them for 8 to 10 minutes or until they turn a vibrant red. Once cooked, remove them, let them cool slightly, and then extract the succulent meat from the shells. Chop the meat into bite-sized pieces and set it aside. Remember to reserve about 1 cup of the lobster cooking liquid for later. Now, let's create that incredible sauce and cook the pasta. In a large skillet, sauté minced garlic and halved cherry tomatoes in olive oil until they soften. Deglaze the pan with 1/2 cup of dry white wine, letting it reduce slightly. Stir in heavy cream, a tablespoon of butter, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Meanwhile, cook your linguine in salted water until it's perfectly al dente, usually around 9 to 11 minutes. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add the cooked lobster meat and the al dente linguine directly into your simmering sauce. Toss everything gently to ensure every strand of pasta and every piece of lobster is beautifully coated. If the sauce seems too thick, add a splash of the reserved lobster cooking liquid. Garnish generously with fresh basil leaves. Serve your exquisite lobster linguine immediately and enjoy this delightful culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.